Hello! Today we are going to draw these numbers. Are you ready? Let's go! Let's draw these numbers. 0 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 Now, let's learn some colors and draw these numbers with colors. Pink color, blue color, indigo color, red color, orange color, green color, purple color, dark green color, yellow color, dark blue color, and brown. Let's go. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 Wow, these numbers are looking so beautiful. Now, let's learn these numbers. Let's go. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Wow, these numbers are looking so beautiful. Give a thumbs up to our video. Stay tuned for our next video. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye.